You may have heard that it's not wise to combine wine and spirits at the same time. We're gonna break that rule with the Crimson Drift. So I'm gonna begin with 1.5 ounces of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of Saint Germain elderflower liqueur, then 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, and then 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. So then we're going to add an egg white, add a metal coil, shake 15 to 20 seconds. Then I'm gonna add ice, strain into an empty shaker. Get my glass. Look at how creamy that looks. I'm gonna slowly pour my wine over the back of a bar spoon, and you'll see that it's starting to create a layer. Garnish with a dried lemon. Let's give it a try. The Crimson Drift is Queen Bee approved.